All right, here we go. Optic football. Let's do this. Let's get some of them rated rookies. Oh yeah, here we go. Ba-bam. If we get an auto, that'd be nice. Oh. All right. I got Derrick Henry.
I got
Max Crosby.
Look at Aaron Rodgers.
Oh, Aaron Rodgers. There we go. Oh, and a Drew Brees silver.
Ooh.
Wait, didn't he just retire?
These guys.
Didn't he just retire?
I don't know.
Was it Drew Brees? I can't remember.
Tristan.
I got a Bo Jackson. Look at that.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's good.
It's pink.
It's pinky. And Harrison Bryant, and I got AJ Dillon. All right, you should just leave all of yours.
Leave them all?
Just leave all of yours right there.
Okay.
Sleeve them all. And I will sleeve my two. Bo Jackson. There we go, AJ Dillon. And those are the only two rookie cards I got. Alright, here.
Florida Atlantic? The fuck team is that? Oh, I didn't sleeve them yet.
Oh.
Here.
Dun, dun. Aaron Rodgers. All right, and Drew Brees silver. Gonna have to look me that up here in a second. All right, here we go. Next pack. All right. Lamar Jackson.
Bobby Wagner.
Bobby Wagner. Cortland's, I don't know who this guy is. Josh Allen. Ooh, Justin Jefferson.
Gabriel Davis.
Justin Jefferson. And I think that might be a hot hit. I don't know.
Asiasi.
Devin Asiasi, Andrew Thomas. All right, those I don't think those are good packs. Except the one that I got might be pretty good. I'm not sure. All right, let's sleeve these guys up. Sorry for the wait, guys. You can just maybe skip forward a few seconds on the video, and maybe you can also hit that like and subscribe button. Be nice! Alright. Justin Jefferson. Something tells me that might be a hit. But I don't know. Oh my god. Devin Asiasiasiasiao. Ooh, Gabriel Davis silver. Alright, here we go. Last two. Let's get our last pack magic. DeAndre Hopkins. Tyler Boyd. Adam something. Miles Sanders. Oh, you got something there. Rated rookie. Oh, Cesar Ruiz. I think we already got that. And I got Damian Arnette or something. And James Morgan. All right, Jets. Let's go. Alright, and that concludes the short.